mahirap sa sarili. Let's go! Mahirap sa sarili ko. Stress ng hapon. Ang sarap ng hangin! Feels so good. I just want to film my day. I just want to be me.
Yun na nga, sinasabi ko.
Look at this. So this is how this microphone looks like. Nalaglag. Ito yung laman niya. So may battery, tapos may board siya. Ayun. Maliliit na electronics. You know, out of engineering and tech breakdowns, I just want to be me. So sometimes life is really hard to deal with. The winds are so strong. It feels so good. You know, when life gives you hard challenges and you get a chance to take things easy, slow things down, just like this. Feel the winds, feel the nature, feel the surrounding, the environment, feel your things, like my bike right now, and the foods. It's incomparable to the things, especially when you're busy at work. I just love this moment right now. You know, I'm just chilling, letting the winds blow me, and then you're just going to stare and look around to the nature, and you have this kind of nature. It feels so different. It feels so soothing. It feels so, you know, energizing. It is really true that we get energy from the nature, and I deserve this kind of time. Ang sarap mabuhay. Just the kind of life that I want in the future. Right now, we're just building the future. Sooner or later, my family and I will be in a decent life, in a decent place, in a decent status, together with my love, Charmy. Sooner or later, magkita din tayo and we will be together. So this video is just all about me. I'm just having some kind of fun here. I'm just living life today because life gave me such challenges and I'm still not done dealing with them, but God's with me. I know I will conquer all the challenges together with my family. God is good all the time.